Hello everybody, my name is Christian Charlo. Welcome to your market report. Today we're Thursday, October 31st. Happy Halloween everybody. So today I'm going to talk to you of a technical situation of the market. Right now markets are in a neutral formation and we have as much chances to go up than to go down in the market. So what's really important though under this neutral range that the markets are right now is to favor the quality signals on the upside and also the ones on the downside. So let's take a look at the type of technical pattern that you should favor on the market and what are the technical conditions of the market right now. So right now, if we take a look at the situation in the Nasdaq, we're staying totally neutral within the sideways formation. Same thing also on the SPY and also same thing on the Dow Jones. So the new bullish cycle on the Dow will be higher than 15,728 and on the SPY it will be higher than 177.32. So what type of stocks that you should not favor as a short? For instance, a stock like Oshkosh. Yes, the stock totally got out of this upward channel. So technically speaking, you might have said, oh, you know what? Why not short that stock? Well, it's because simply the stock is not keeping a clear downward trend. And if we would have been able to short that stock if only those index like the Dow Jones, the SPY, and the Nasdaq were starting a clear bearish cycle, this would have given us more confidence that a stock like Oshkosh might just pursue the downward momentum of the market and reach at least 44.68 and even go below to reach 37.95. But the type of stocks you should favor are stocks that are keeping a clear downward trend and that have some potential. For instance, a stock like Cray, which is among our analyst shorts on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days just by clicking at the link below. So Cray, first of all, it's keeping a clear downward trend, broke its support, and has at least 10% potential until it reaches that trend here at around 20 bucks. So this is why Cray is among our analyst choice on marketgurus.tv. Also, another one is D.R. Horton. The stock is clearly keeping a downward trend, clearly breaking that support. But the only thing is, doesn't have 10% potential until we reach that support, but it's worth to actually make a short it. You can make 5% until the stock reaches that support at 17.75 on D.R. Horton. So Cray is the best so far on the downside if you want to short some stocks on the Nasdaq. On the upside though, there are two stocks I found that are quality, and the technical indicators I look for to actually recommend you those are, first of all, the stochastics. Where are we on the stochastics? If we take a look at Kiwi is keeping a nice upward trend, got out of this triangle formation, right? So it's a clear breakout in Kiwi. So the stochastics, what is it saying? It's saying that at this price, there's still some buyers who are getting in because we're just starting to leave the oversold situation and we have a lot of room to go before we reach the overbought situation. Also, the 10 is above the 30 moving average, which is a sign that it's bullish, and also the MACD histogram is showing that there's some bullish momentum because we're starting to have a histogram that's starting to be around the positive territory. We see it's slightly moving towards the positive territory. So those are the indicators I base myself on to actually recommend you Kiwi as a buy on the Nasdaq. There's also 8x8. The 10 is above the 30 moving average. Histogram is showing the same pattern as Kiwi, so it's heading up towards positive territory. And also the stochastics is just leaving the oversold situation, and we have some room to go before we reach the overbought situation. So there's some buyers who are getting in into that stock, and the stock has some room to go before it reaches that point where you have to actually take some profit. So this is it, folks. Markets are still neutral. Markets are still within their sideways formation. You have to be picky in the type of stocks that you choose to either short or to buy. So do not short stocks like Oshkosh, for instance, even if they have got out of their upward channel. We think that by looking at the current market conditions, they might just stabilize here for a while and either go up. So that's why you should favor stocks that are weak, like D.R. Horton or Cray, which is among our analyst shorts on marketgurus.tv. And on the upside, you have Kiwi and 8. So this is the list. The ones highlighted in S are the best one on the upside and on the downside. So you can actually favor that to actually make your trade. So this is it, folks. See you next week for your market report. Market Gurus, you can always subscribe for free for 10 days. And Facebook and Twitter are always some platforms where you can chat with us, share your strategies, and never forget, the more money you make, the happier we are. See you next week.